Oh my gosh, my cat is missing. Where's my cat? Where could it be? Is it over here? Is it here? Here? Is it right between these crevices? Ah, God damn it. Is it under this blanket? No, it's not even here. Is it in the refrigerator? Let's find out. Where's my cat? Oh, God damn it. Where's my cat? God damn it. Where's my freaking cat? Oh, goodness sake. Oh, it's not here. Where is my cat? Damn it. Where's my cat? Hold on, there's a cat outside. Let me just go ask him. Where's my cat? God damn it. Where's my cat? Where's my freaking cat? Oh gosh. I need to find my cat very quickly. Where's my cat? Excuse me. Do you know where my cat is? Excuse me. Where's my cat? Hey, where's my cat? Where's my cat? Where's my cat? Where is my cat? Do you know where it is? You know where my cat is? Do you? Please help me. Where's my cat? Stop scratching yourself and tell me where my cat is. Please, quickly. I'm begging you. Please. Why are you pink for? Where's my cat already? Come on. Please. Tell me. Where's my cat? Where's my cat? Cat? Where is my cat? Fine. Don't tell me. I'm going. So sad. That's the last person that I ever tell where my cat is. Oh, no, I guess I don't know where my cat is anymore. I'm sad.